Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you one of very popular Bengali fish curry with green onion and potato or কাতলা মাছের ঝাল আলু আর পেঁয়াজ কলি দিয়ে. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more notifications. Here I have taken 4 pieces of katla fish. I will marinate with some salt and turmeric. Salt and some turmeric. I will coat them very well. Okay, leave it for 10 minutes. Let's heat up the pan. Keep it on medium. After 10 minutes, I will fry the fish pieces now. I am adding about 2 tablespoons mustard oil. You can use any cooking oil, it's your choice. Oil is hot enough. Now I am going to fry the fish pieces. Cover it, otherwise it will splatter. Before flipping the other side, keep the flame low and wait for few seconds. As I told you, it will splatter. Now flip the other side. Cover it again and keep the flame on medium. Again I am going to keep the flame low. Fish fry is ready. Let me take them out from the pan. Fish fry is ready. In the same oil, I am going to fry the potato. Here I have taken one small size potato and I have cut it into long slices. I am not adding more oil because we have enough oil. Fry the potato only 3-4 minutes. I am adding pinch of salt and pinch of turmeric. Fried potato is ready. Let's make the fish curry. In the same oil, I am adding 1.5 teaspoon pachforon. You can also add cumin seeds or nigella seeds if you want to. 1 small size thinly sliced red onion. Fry the onion until it turns light golden. Now we'll add 1 small size tomato. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half tablespoon ginger paste. I am not using garlic, whole garam masala and garam masala powder in this fish curry because I am making with green onion, that's why. Salt to taste, I am adding 1.5 teaspoon salt. Add some water, very little water to saute the masala. 4 slitted green chilies. Keep stirring until the tomato gets little softer. But make sure it is on medium. Now we'll add 1 bunch of green onion with onion bulbs. Fried potato. Keep stirring for 3 to 4 minutes only. Now we'll add 1 cup of water to cook the potato. We have already fried the potato, so it should not take long time to cook. Now cover it and keep the flame on high. Bring it to boil for 2 minutes, then we'll add fried fish pieces. It's 2 minutes. fish pieces. Cover it again on high heat and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. It's been 6 minutes, let's check it. Now keep it on low heat. I'm adding 1/3 cup chopped coriander leaves. Stir it gently. Adjust the consistency as you need. Potato has cooked perfectly, as you can see. Okay, now switch off the flame and cover it for 2 more minutes, then we'll dish out. Serve this fish curry with steamed rice. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.